How aluminum cans are manufactured. The industrial process is a marvel of modern engineering, operating at incredible speeds.
This is the brief on aluminum can manufacturing. You know, aluminum cans are just everywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about the incredible engineering that goes into them? Well, using insights from Matter Lab, we're going to look at how a massive roll of metal transforms into that super lightweight container in your hand. Okay, first up, the can's shape has a pretty violent birth. It starts with these huge aluminum coils. They get heavily lubricated so they don't tear, and then bam, they hit a stamping press. This machine punches out small cups, which then get ironed. That just means they're mechanically stretched and thinned out to the can's full height. It happens incredibly fast, yet it's precise enough to keep the metal strong before the rough edges are trimmed off. Second, the can needs a serious cleanup and a makeover. After being washed and dried, it's time for printing, and this part is wild. The cans spin at crazy high speeds while ink rollers apply the design perfectly. Then a transparent varnish is applied to prevent scratches, and the whole thing is baked to cure the finish. And finally, the last squeeze and the inspection. To fit a lid, the top is narrow, that's called necking, and the rim is curved to guarantee an airtight seal later. All the while, automated cameras are hunting for any defects, kicking out bad units instantly. Only perfect cans make it to the pallet. So, in short, raw aluminum sheets are punched, stretched, printed, and inspected in a continuous, high-speed loop to create millions of identical containers. Next time you crack open a cold one, appreciate the engineering holding your drink.
The synthesis is stable at 98%.
Acknowledged. Cross-reference with the subject delta parameters.